How's it going, guys? My name's Lewis and this channel is called Dad Makes Dough and it's all about making money online. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you 7 ways on how you can make money online right now. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you're notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, that's at Dad Makes Dough. Right, so like I do with every single video, I tell you guys to leave a comment below and I'll choose it at random and I'll showcase it in this video. So I'm going to choose this one today. So go check out their channel, give them a like, tell them Dad Makes Dough sent you, and let's help each other grow, especially on YouTube. We've almost hit 1,000 subscribers, so please don't forget to subscribe, let's hit that 1K mark. Right, so like I said, I've got 7 different ways that you can make money online. I've personally tried every single one of these methods, and I won't show you anything on this channel that I haven't already tried and tested myself to tell you that it works. I'm not one of these gurus who are going to start telling you to make money online by doing this, doing that, selling courses, nothing like that. This is completely 7 ways that I have actually used and I've made money from. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put annotations in the description below as well as all the links to each and everything that I've used in this video, and with that you can just skip along to the next one. Right, so first things first, we've got 20 cogs. And what 20 cogs is like, if you remember my last video, 10 ways to make money online, it's very similar to Oh My Dosh. What it is, it's a paid to site. So what you'll do is you'll take part in free trial and sign up offers and surveys, you know, stuff like that. What you do is you have something called 20 cogs. And what 20 cogs is it's 20 different things that you have to do in order to cash out. But it's much better because you can cash out a larger amount and it's more substantial. Me personally, I think the first time I ever did it, I cashed out about £200. Just think of what you could do with that extra £200 in your pocket. So if you check out some of these sign-off offers, one of them is a Coral offer, and you can input this with match betting as well, where you can make some money for the sign-up offer and also match bet it. So if you haven't seen my video about match betting, I'm going to put the annotation on screen now, go check that out and we'll go from there. So if you go on to 20 cogs, go on to Coral Bingo and deposit £5, they'll give you £20. Straight away, off the bat, that's £15 profit. If you win that money, such as onto bingo and stuff like that, you could win large and you've put no risk up front because you're getting that money back. If not, you make £15 profit on that. So that's one cog done. The next one might be sign up to a free trial for like Audible. Literally, go online, sign up to the free trial, make sure you go through Oh My Dosh, click the links in there so they make sure that they approve every offer. As soon as you've completed all 20 cogs, you can go and you get a little button at the bottom and it says withdraw, and you can withdraw this straight to PayPal. Check out the Trustpilot reviews, it's rated as excellent. So they definitely have the customer service there. It's a well-known company. Don't forget, if you want to, click my referral link down below. So one of my main tips for 20 cogs is to make sure you put in your calendar when the free trials end, because I didn't do this and it cost me in the end. So what I ended up doing was I made this money from 20 cogs, and because I'd signed up to free trials, I forgot to cancel 1 or 2 of them. So obviously if these free trials are like £5, £10 here and there, that's going to come out of your earning. Right, so number 2 is InstaGC. And what InstaGC is, it's kind of like Swagbooks. It's a little bit different, so you can make money from watching videos, doing surveys, playing games, downloading apps, everything like that. And these can be changed into points which you can purchase gift cards, whether that be Amazon gift cards, G2A, which is like games and stuff like that, Spotify, iTunes vouchers, everything like that. Even local vouchers such as like Pizza Express, stuff like that. No, I'm not one of these gurus who are going to say this is going to make you rich. This is going to get you to quit your job overnight and everything like that. This is going to make you a few quid on the side. With this, you could use it for like Amazon gift cards, buying gifts or birthdays or stuff like that. PSN vouchers, you know, it helps out a little bit. You can even make money by referring your friends. Just like this, if you want to make a video all about InstaGC, and you can put the referral. Look, I'm going to put my referral link below so we can both earn, I think it's £1. I earn £1, you earn £1, everybody wins. So number 3, I've used this personally, it's called a Curve card. Curve will give you a free £5 just by clicking a referral link, signing up for one and getting this card. It isn't a debit card or a credit card or anything like that. It essentially just streamlines your wallet. What it does is it's one card that links everything, and it links spending and everything like that. So you could link on there your credit card, debit cards, you know, everything like that, and have them all in one place on one card and connect it to your phone. So that way you don't need to go out with a big bulky wallet with like 10 cards. It works on the app and you can use it with like Google and Apple Pay as well. So all you have to do, click my referral link below. That way I'll make £5 and you guys will make £5 as well. Sign up by using my referral link below, download the app, use my code, I'll put it on screen, I'll put it in the description, use the card once. Personally, this works by just top up your Amazon by £1. So it's literally cost you £1 and you'll make £5. Not big profits, but it works and it's guaranteed. It's Honey. Now what Honey is it's a browser extension. What it does is it scans voucher codes to save you money. It's like cashback sites. Essentially it works similar, except you don't need to go through their website to make a purchase. It can be just added as an add-on. Personally, I'd recommend Chrome add-on. Literally, all you have to do with Honey, go on any website, whether it be ASOS, Amazon, Booking.com, say you're booking a holiday or something like that, And what Honey does is it searches the entire internet for voucher codes and discount codes, and then what that'll do, it'll pop up at the side when you're about to make a purchase, and it has an open box that says something like, you know, add promo code. And what it does is, if you click add Honey, what it'll do is all these codes that it's found, it'll automatically keep adding them in, find you the best deal. Sometimes you've already found the best deal, Honey won't be able to get it. It's rare, but sometimes you're not going to be able to get the best deal. So what it'll do is it'll add something which is called Honey Gold. And what Honey Gold is like cashback, and you can transfer the Honey Gold to Amazon vouchers. So essentially, you're just getting money back and cash back, and it's great because you can use it on almost every website. It'll at least try and get you the best deal. So if you do want to sign up, save some money and stuff like that, click my referral link below that I'll link there in the description. Click sign up and download it, install it in Chrome extension, and it's great. It doesn't install all, it's not an annoying Chrome extension. I know we've all had those Chrome extensions that are so annoying that you just hate using it and it has to go. Right, so the next one is drop servicing. Drop servicing has been around forever. You've probably heard of drop shipping, where you get a product from AliExpress, make your own Shopify niche store. All these gurus are talking about it. Make your Shopify niche store, spend shitloads on Google ads or YouTube ads, Facebook ads, stuff like that to get that product. So you say buy it from AliExpress for £1, you sell it for £20 on your store, you keep the profit in between you, the mid. But drop servicing is a little bit different, and this is something that I've been able to profit off much more. What drop servicing is, it's the same concept of you being the middleman and taking the profit. However, you're drop shipping a service such as web design, graphic design, book cover design, social media marketing. There's loads that you can choose. What a lot of people will do is they'll try and sell, you know, sales funnel. What you need to do is you do need to make a sales funnel, but you don't have to have the upfront cost. If you're working on a much lower budget, don't get me wrong, I'd totally recommend, you know, ClickFunnels, stuff like that. But if you've not got the budget for it, there's ways around this. So what you could do is you can actually create a business name, create a business page, Instagram, Facebook, stuff like that with your branded, I don't know, Book Cover Brothers, I don't know, something like that. And what you'll do is you'll brand it onto a site like Canva or something like that, create yourself a clean looking professional logo, you know, banners, stuff like that. And then what you want to do is you want to go over to Fiverr, pay someone to do the work for you. So if you can get web design and you try and target local businesses in your area, because you shorten the niche down, right? And it'll be free. There's plenty of people on Instagram and stuff like that who are doing like logo design, and they're just drop servicing them from Fiverr. So literally, if you can find a client who wants, I don't know, a logo, and you contact local businesses for that logo design, literally on your Facebook page, go onto Fiverr, search for logo designers. There's hundreds on there, thousands. They'll sell a logo for say £5 or £5, call it. So that's £5 you'll pay for a logo. And then if you go and sell that logo for £40 to a client, you'll keep the £35 in between. You're the middleman. So what you want to do is, if you can contact these businesses, you can even mark up this price even more. You can make this crazy markup. Same with a website. If you know a local business, I don't know, a bricklayer, you know, a labourer, a hairdressing, a salon, something like that, they need a website, you're not sure how to use a website or build a website, what you can do is you can outsource this. So if you go online and go back onto Fiverr and look for, I don't know, web design, and you search a couple of people on there and they say, right, it's going to cost £80 for a basic WordPress website. You use his images that he's put on Fiverr for your branding on your own company. And then what you do is wait for the client to say, right, I'd like a website. You say, right, it'll cost you £250 for a professionally built website. And then you go onto Fiverr, pay this guy £80 for that website, and you keep the profit in between. Best thing what you want to do is you want to avoid putting any of your own money up front. So a lot of these designers, how they work is they take a deposit before you build them a site or something like that. So I'd recommend take a 50% deposit. So if you've quoted £300 for a website, you take 50% deposit for the build and then the other 50% upon completion and delivery. So what we'll do here is you'll take the 150 out of the 300, that's the deposit, that'll pay 80 to the Fiverr gig. And then once you get that back, you send the design over to your client and ask them how they think of it. Don't forget, if you are going to go on Fiverr, make sure you choose a gig with something called unlimited revisions. And what that means is, if you're not happy with it, they'll consistently change it. Sometimes some of the designers will have like 2 revisions, 3 revisions. You want unlimited because you're the middleman. You want to make sure that your client is 100% happy with that. And there we go. You've just made the middleman profit there. And this is drop servicing. I'm going to make a whole video just on drop servicing. I've been doing this for the last 2 or 3 months and I've made upwards of thousands of pounds doing it. It is a crazy business model and it works. And what I'm going to do as well is a couple of the designers that I've actually used personally on Fiverr for websites and logo design, menu design, stuff like that. I'll link them below so you know that you're going to a decent designer who's going to deliver results and you're going to get a good service. These are the people that I've actually used personally for some of my branding work and it's been a great experience. I'll link those below. Right, so the next one is affiliate marketing. Everybody talks about affiliate marketing. It's a term that's heavily thrown about a lot, especially in the YouTube and making money online community. You're essentially an affiliate marketer, and what that is you're an affiliate in which you sell for another company, whether that be a service or a product or something like that, and you earn a commission for each product. Me personally, the best way to go about this, to make it more passive and to make it more consistent, is to sell or promote a service that's a digital monthly service. That way, you'll get a commission for each month that a person stays signed up. So what you do, you sign up for certain affiliate marketing businesses, and then what you'll do is you'll promote that, whether it be on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, something like that. You promote their product or service, and then you get a commission. And what you do is literally have a tailored link that's your referral link, and it tracks that the traffic has come from you and the person has actually paid the service through your link. So that way you'll make the commission. You want to make sure, personally, I mean, you can do it with Amazon associates and stuff like that. See these big YouTubers who do like gaming setup videos and stuff like that? They'll link their gaming setup in the description and there'll be shortened links. And this is because, say if you've seen a TV that this YouTuber uses, they'll link that in their description and they get a percentage if you go and buy that TV. Or even if you don't buy the TV but you've clicked the link and then you come back within the next 24 hours and purchase something, they'll get a commission. It doesn't cost you anymore, but they'll get that a recurring commission. However, what you want to do is you want to promote a service that's a monthly service, so you get a recurring commission each and every month. So after someone's signed up, then you'll get, say, 40 or 50% of that commission, and then the next month you'll get 40, 50% of that commission. It becomes a recurring commission, and you get that every month the person actually signs up. So me personally, this is my profit accumulator affiliate account, and what I do is, if you looked at my previous video all about making money online and match betting, I'll put an annotation on screen now so you can go check the match betting video out now. And what I do is I promote a service called Profit Accumulator, and it's a service that I've actually used physically and I can constantly use to this day. So I know it works and I know that people are going to sign up to it and stay signed up to it because it's a decent service. I wouldn't promote something that I haven't used myself just for the money, because that way it's not going to be a recurring commission because people aren't going to want to stay signed up to it. So this is how much I've made through just promoting it. I've only got about 3,000 views on that video, 3.3k, but it's an evergreen video, so I'm constantly getting views on that video and people are signing up to match betting through my link, which means I get a commission of their monthly fee and it's a recurring commission. So as you can see on screen now, this is the sort of funds that I get from Profit Accumulator each and every month. And now it's become passive because the video's been made and then it's constantly getting traffic, whether that not be huge amounts of traffic, but it's getting enough traffic to, you can see that I'm actually making commissions almost every day now, and it's constantly growing and increasing. There's other ways of doing it if you don't want to sell anything, and that's called CPA marketing. And what CPA marketing is called click per action. And this, I use a site called Max Bounty, and I'll link my referral link to Max Bounty below if you want. And what you do is you sign up to Max Bounty and they've got, you know, affiliate programs and things that you can sign up to, but all they require is you to get someone to sign up and input an email and their information. So it'd be like, you know, sign up to win a £100 Amazon gift card or something like that. If you can promote that link and you can bring traffic into that link, you'll get paid, so say $2 per lead. And what a lead means is you bringing someone and signing up to that. And what they do, the reason that they pay you for this is because people's data and people's information is worth a lot of money. It's marketing material. Getting those emails, you know, they'll use that for something else later on down the line. It's a valuable. I am going to make a completely separate video on this topic as well. How I make money through affiliate marketing. No, I'm not one of the gurus where I make stupid amounts and I'm jetted off to Las Vegas and all this. No, I'm literally just a normal guy with, you know, a normal house, normal income, stuff like that. But I'm showing you that you don't have to be these crazy guys who are making stupid thousands, hundreds of thousands of pounds a month by affiliate marketing. I'm showing you that it is a business model that does work, and it's from my point of view just a normal guy, and I'm going to show you how I've been able to generate income through this. So don't forget to stay tuned for more videos like this. Right, so my final one is actually an app, and it's called VoxPolMe. You've probably heard of it, or maybe you've not. And what VoxPolMe is, a market researching app where you do surveys, but it's not like boring surveys, it's actually video surveys, and they're pretty short. They range anywhere from like 15 seconds to a minute, and all you've got to do is record your response to that. These will be questions like, you know, Pepsi or Cola or Coke even. So all you have to do is record a quick video, and they'll have questions on screen. It'll be like 3 questions, and it'll be like, please explain why, which you prefer, do you think this company does branding better. It's literally such short videos that you get paid for, which is, it's such an easy way to make some money. It can get a little bit, at first it might be a little bit embarrassing, a little bit awkward for you to just stand there, record your face, you know, describing what you think of Coca-Cola or what you think of Pepsi. Just go in another room so no one can hear you, sit in your car on your lunch break, you know, something like that. But it's a great way of making money, and it's so short. It's called VoxPolMe. What you can do is you can cash this out to PayPal. Don't let it put you off. It does have a £10 minimum withdrawal. However, don't let that put you off, because it soon adds up. What happens is you fill in a specific demographic to you. So you are a male who's 18 to 24, lives with parents, goes to uni, you know, something like that. And then they'll target certain questions for you to answer. And then eventually, the more questions you ask, it means they've got more of a demographic to you as a person. So they'll send more targeted reviews to you, and then you can go from there. And it really does, it's more of a snowball effect. So if you do want to sign up to VoxPolMe, literally click the link below. It is my referral. Add my referral link, I'll get £1 and you'll get £1, so then you only need to make £9 cash out. I'll help you. Right guys, so if you are still watching at this point of the video, please leave a comment below, and what I'm going to do, just like the rest of my videos, I'm going to pick a comment at random. I will showcase it in my next video, and I'll put your channel up there. So don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like, really helps. Make sure you click that notification bell so you'll be updated when each and every new video comes out. I've got plenty more videos all in the pipeline right now, whether that be a whole drop servicing. I'm going to do a 0 to 1k challenge to show you how I can make £0 to £1,000 with no upfront cost. That's going to be a new series coming out, and maybe I'll even start some vlogs, what I do with my day, how I get on with my day, maybe some sourcing. So there's going to be some more Amazon FBA videos and stuff like that. Don't forget guys, thanks for watching.